Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. This channel will learn how to speak Igbo. If you're a beginner and you want to speak Igbo language, this channel and this video is for you. In this video, we are going to be learning more about Igbo language. Up, elu, elu, elu. Elu is up. Elu is up. Elu is up. Down. Down. Ala. Ala. Ala is down. Ala is down. Ala. Ala is down. Right. Right, your right hand side. Right. Akụkụ aka nri gị. Akụkụ aka nri gị. Akụkụ aka nri gị. Left. 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 Akụkụ aka ekpe gị. Akụkụ aka ekpe gị. Akụkụ aka ekpe gị. Akụkụ aka ekpe gị, that is left. Akụkụ aka ekpe gị. Front. Front. Ihu. Ihu is front. Your front. Ihu. Ihu. Ihu, that is front. Back. My back. Back. Azụ. Azụ, that is back. Azụ, back. Azụ, back. Azụ, azụ, that is back. Floor. Floor, the ground. Floor. Ala. Ala. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Kwụsị ime ihe ahụ. Kwụsị ime ihe ahụ. Stop doing that. Kwụsị ime ihe ahụ. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Nọrọ ọdụ. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Nọrọ ọdụ. Stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ, that is stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ, that is stand up. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Kụọ aka gị. Kụọ aka. Kụọ aka gị. Kụọ aka gị. Clap your hands. Kụọ aka gị. Kụọ aka gị. My leg is paining me. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. My leg is paining me. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Fufee aka gị. Fufee aka gị. Fufee aka gị. That is, wave your hands. Fufee aka gị. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Na-aga. Na-aga. That is, keep going. Na-aga. Keep going. Na-aga. Stop there. Stop there. Kwụsị ebe ahụ. Kwụsị ebe ahụ. Kwụsị ebe ahụ. Thank you. Thank you. Daalụ. Daalụ. That is thank you. Dalo. Thank you. Dalo. Dalo is thank you. Dalo. Shift. Nye ohere. Nye ohere. That is shift. Nye ohere. I heard you. I heard you. I heard you. Anụrụ m gị. I heard you. Anụrụ m gị. I heard you. Anụrụ m gị. So guys, we're going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, share it to your friends that want to learn how to speak Igbo language. I see you guys in my next video.